Okay, this one's a quick one. It's possible to capture a new snap from an animated one. So here I have a scene where I've animated the camera, and let's say that I really like this one. Now, when I right-click on the playhead, that's this red one, and I select Create Snapshot at current frame, and then I go to the timeline, when I select the new snap, there's no animation, and the first frame is the one that I selected. Now if I go to render, and I render this shot, it will render specifically that frame that we captured, while also keeping the entire animation intact. That means that you can go through and you can capture a bunch of shots, or you can animate your camera through your scene just to spontaneously capture frames that you like. And that means that you can go through, and that means you can animate your camera in your scene and spontaneously capture frames that you like in the moment and save them as snaps. Yeah, hope you enjoy this feature and enjoy.